Do you have anything to say before I...
It looks delicious.
I dig
I didn't know what
No,
a
I'm talking
frittata
about
looked
yours.
like. That
That's
one's
not
okay.
yours.
Oh.
That's mine. Have you ever created a frittata from scratch?
I don't know what a frittata is.
On these cards, you'll find a base frittata recipe, but then it's up to you to flavor your frittata in a snap.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a situation, because I thought this was a frittata.
At the end, you'll taste test and rate each other. So, we're gonna be using these muffin tins.
Yes.
And the recipe starts with 4 eggs. You gotta put
Hey, don't look at mine. Don't look at my
Put a
eggs.
shell in yours.
Don't look at your own eggs. Put a cup of milk.
Yeah.
This is cute. I am vegetarian.
Yeah, I'm gonna use avocado.
Spinach. Can't go wrong with sausage.
Are you gonna put different kinds of meat or?
Yeah,
Okay.
no conflicting meats.
Like I
Need more
mentioned.
shrimp here.
I thought you were gonna put conflicting meats, dude. I'm gonna add pineapple. Do you like chilies?
No, go for it.
I
Do
don't
you
want-
like fries?
You can kind of do whatever you want.
So you can't really go wrong. Because it can be weird to cook eggs at night, but not if you do a frittata.
Yeah, it sounds fancy.
Yeah,
You're like,
definitely.
I cooked a frittata with pineapple
With
and
pineapple,
avocado.
and I'll be like, oh.
Let's start plopping these in. Preheat the oven to
Okay, this actually looks really yummy.
375. Yeah. How do you time it?
Preheating. The oven has hit 375, so 12 to 15 minutes.
I can already smell the shrimp. This is good.
Yeah? Wow.
Wow.
That's actually really delicious.
Yay, that's good.
I would eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's do a little shuffle.
Yeah, I want to try mine.
This is really tasty. We'll call it a tie.
Let's call it a tie.
Okay. Do we
right.
do that snap thing again?
Didn't work this time. There's nothing on the table.
Where's dessert? Where's dessert?